Hi everyone. Right, Jo and I have just put this kit together. We have sold one similar to this before, haven't we, Joanne? Mm-hmm. Say hello.
Hi.
So you get these as well. In there's some ribbons and some trim. There's beaded trim, several bits. You've got different flowers. Sorry about the cut behind.
Feathers.
Feathers, sorry. Because I was looking at never mind. Some more beaded trim, but then we've got all of this. There's lots of appliques in this, beautiful keys and Eiffel Tower. Wide ribbons, beautiful cameo, more cameos here, lots of roses and lots of tiny appliques, as well as the laces. Some gorgeous, gorgeous crystals, look at the colours in them, and a matching pendant. Joanne's showing you some stick pins you get as well. More appliques underneath, the ones you can take apart. There is some velvet, crushed velvet fabric. There's a large doily underneath, and that one as well, which we sell those on their own. And some daisy trim, some large doilies, lots and lots of things actually in this kit. So if you want it, grab it. There's only one. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.